started. Find the torque required in input link. Input link is nothing but second link. Static equilibrium of for a static equilibrium of a given mechanism as shown in the figure. The dimensions are given. First, you need to draw according to the scale. Okay, and this is the drawing. Okay, and later we have finished the free body diagrams for all the links. First link, we'll start from the first link, very first link. The first link is AB. At A, there is a force that is F1, 2, and at point B, B is a common point on link number 2 and 3. So that's why link number 2, the force acting on link number 2 by link number 3 is F32. The direction of F32 is along the link number 3. Why? Because there is no internal force, or there is no intermediate force acting on link number 3. That's why it will be acting along the direction of link 3. So along the direction of link 3. So after that, come to the link number 3. Link number 3, there is no intermediate force acting on link number 3. That's why only two forces are acting. One is F23, it is opposite to F32. But the other point, point C, is a common point on link number 3 and 4. The force is F34. It should be opposite to F23. Why? Because it is acted upon two forces. If it is a two-force member, the forces are equal and opposite. You know the direction of one force? Which one you know? The direction of 2, 3. Automatically, F4, 3 will be opposite to F2, 3. Okay? Just a minute. Okay, so the next thing is link number 4. We have link number 4. We have three different points at link number 4. One is F34, because it is opposite to F43. F43 is acting on link number 3. Same amount of force will be acting on link number 4. And it is opposite to F43. That is F34. But at point E, we have connected one more link, that is link number 5, right? Link number 5. So link number 5, there is no intermediate force acting on link number 5. So that's why the force acting on link number 4 by link number 5 will be along the direction of 5. Link number 5, along the direction of link number 5. So this is F54. So that is one force. Two force, second force. That is third force is at point D. I don't know the direction because it is a three-force member. So I don't know the direction. You just show it with a zigzag force. Next, we'll come to the link number 5. Link number 5, one force is there, that is link number 4. The same amount of force will be acting along the direction of link number 5 because there is no intermediate force acting on link number 5. So F45. It is opposite to link number 4, force F54. And 5 is a two-force member. If it is a two-force member, equal and opposite force. So F65 will be opposite to equal and opposite to F45. So opposite force. You come to the piston. Piston is a one force is applied force, that is 250 Newton along the horizontal direction towards left, and one more force will be the reaction force due to the cylinder. So that is F16, it is upward, and one more force is there, that is F65, opposite force F56. Is it okay? Any doubt in the free body diagram? Any doubt in the free body diagram? Hello? Can anyone open your mouth?
Theta should be 17 degree, I think.
Which one? Theta? Theta is 17.
Theta.
17. Okay, no problem. It's left to you. You only told. It is 32, right? It is 17, correct? All are getting the same answer? Hello? 17. Okay. This is 17 degree. And everything will be 17 only, right? Not 32, correct? Ritvik, kala? What is alpha? What is angle alpha?
27
27.
degree.
Okay, very good. It is 27. Correct, Allah? 27 degree. Okay. So next, how to solve the problem? You cannot select link number 2, unknown forces. Link number 3 also unknown forces. Link number 4 is also unknown. All 3 forces are unknown. Link number 5 is also unknown force. Come to the link number 6. Link number 6 is a 3 force member, but in that one is known and 2 are known in direction but unknown in magnitude. You can do it, right? Okay. Consider finding unknowns. Next. Consider link number 6. Draw the force polygon. Draw the force polygon. No need to find out the point of concurrency. Point of concurrency is already there. Which point is a point of concurrency here? F is a point of concurrency. Okay. So a body with a 3 force system have a is in a static equilibrium if the point of concurrency, if all the forces are acting at a point of concurrency. Second condition, summation of all the forces must be equal to 0, or the force polygon must be closed, right? The point of concurrency is already there. Okay. So first one, now I'm going to draw the piston. Okay. You can draw the free hand sketch, no problem, because we have already done with actual scale. Yeah, this is F. F is equal to 250 Newton. One more force is that is upward force. That is F16, right? F16. Next is F56, correct? F56. I don't know the magnet direction. So the direction of F56 is, I think, alpha, right? Alpha is equal to 27 degree. Correct? Okay. So by using this, you can draw the force polygon. I'm going to draw the force polygon now. First, you draw. Yeah. What we have to draw? First one, F is equal to F. First, you take the scale. Scale. 250 Newton is there. Let us take 50 Newton is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. 50 means 250 means it will be 5 centimeter. Draw 5 centimeter. Mark a point somewhere here. Horizontal line 5 centimeter. That is F 250 Newton. This is point A. Sorry, point O. Starting point O A. Next, you need to take what angle? Alpha angle with respect to F. Alpha. Look at this. This is alpha. 27 degree. Take 27 degree and draw the line. 27 degree ಹೀಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? See, this is 27 degree alpha. Okay, 27 degree alpha. I don't know the length, right? Because it is unknown magnitude, but direction is known. That's why I've taken 27 degree. Next, what next? Next is F16. F16 should be vertical and it has to pass through point O because it is a starting point. Force polygon must be closed. To close the polygon, it has to pass through this point. Which one? F. So, sorry, point O. We'll draw the line, vertical line. Yeah, it is intersecting. So this is F 16 F16. This is point B. Point B. Now this is F. What is this? F56. 56. So F56 is equal to length of AB into scale. Answer is, what is the length of AB? Can anyone tell? Can anyone tell me the answer for AB? How many of you solved the problem? Be frank. I told you to solve this.
0.8.
Yes?
5.8.
5.8 centimeter into scale is 50 by 1. Now what is the answer for F56?
2.6.
Ispanto?
Length of OB 2.6.
260 ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು F56 ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು. 29 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 290.
290.
290. Direction upward, correct? Upward. Upward ಅಂತ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಬಟ್ you just mention it as upward. Okay. Next, what else is there? This one, correct? F16. F16 is equal to OB into scale. What is OB? 2 point? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ? It is not upward, right? This is towards left. Towards right, correct? Okay. 2 point. What is OB length?
2.6.
2.6 into scale 50 by 1. Answer? (130 Newton). And upward. Rest all you can do it. Next. Finished? So after finding F16 and F56, you can consider link number 5. Consider link 5. Consider link 5. You see the link 5. It is F65 is equal to, on link number 5, you can draw the freehand sketch, not a problem. Otherwise, it is not necessary to draw the figure, already drawn. This is link number 5. 6 5. This is F 4 5, correct? F 4 5. Therefore, F 6 5 is equal to, you see the previous slide, F 5 6. F 5 6 is equal to, F 5 6 is 290 Newton. But F 5 6 is right, but F 6 5 will be left, towards left, correct? Okay. Next, F 4 5. F 4 5 is equal to F 6 5 is equal, because equal and opposite, is equal to 290, but towards right. That's all. Link number 5. Next, third one. Consider link 4. Consider link number 4. What is given in the link number 4? There are 3 forces, right? So one is F54. F54 is always equal to F45. You know the direction of F54 at an angle of alpha. Alpha is 27 degree. F34 is also known. It is at an angle of 17 degree. See the link number 4. But I don't know the direction of F34. Okay, so I'll draw the freehand sketch once again. So this is there are 2 forces. One is F34, another one is F45. This is F54, right? Next is the bottom one. I think I don't know the direction of this one, bottom one, right? F14. F14. 3 force member, right? This is link number 4, link number 5. Now, how to draw? This is a write down. Link 4 is 3 force member. 3 force member. Therefore, find the point of concurrency. Concurrency. So how to find out the point of concurrency? I think it's better to draw with actual scale this figure, okay? Because we need to find out the point of concurrency, right? Yeah, it's better to find out or draw with actual scale. Please do it. I think to draw this, you need to have point angle phi 88 degree, right? It no use of freehand sketch. You need to draw with actual scale. So I'll do it here. Look at this, the next page. First, you draw this is a point, and we'll draw 88 degree, right? The length, the angle is 88, right? .88 degree. Okay, 88. Then this is angle 5. Next is what is CE distance? I think CE 100. Yeah, I think scale
100.
is 100 means 1 centimeter, right? What scale you have taken for the drawing?
Yes, 1 centimeter. 100
100
into
is
1
equal to
equals to
1.
1
Yeah,
centimeter.
1 centimeter, right? Total length is, what is total length?
400.
400. Okay. This point is E, right? What is the bottom point? It is D. This is E. This is C. This is D. Correct? Yeah. Now, I have to draw the line or the reference line. This is one reference. That is, what is the angle of force F? This is link number 4, right? F54. What is the angle of F54?
27 degree.
27 degree. Take 27 degree. Alpha 27 degree. This is F54. Next, one more force is there. That is, what is that force? F34, right? F34. What is the angle of F34? Don't know direct. F34 is 17 degree, correct? See the pre-body diagram. 17 degree. You take the reference line at an angle of 17. See, this is 17. The reference line 17 degree. I think it is theta, right? Theta is 17. And extend it on the other direction. This is what the force. This is F. This is F. I think it is 4, right? F34. Now, point of concurrency, how to find out the point of concurrency? You need to extend these two forces. So this is the line of action. If you extend this line, this is the line of action of F34, and it will be intersecting at a point. That point intersecting F54 at a point. This is called as POC. This point is called as POC, point of concurrency. And if two forces are acting at a point, and the third force, that is the bottom force, right? F14 is also along the same point. F14 is acting at this point, and you need to extend this, correct? So I need to extend it or join D with point of concurrency. That will be the line of action of F14. So this is line of action of F14. F14. So if you join POC, once you get POC, you just join where the point acting or where F14 is acting. F14 is acting at point D, correct? This point. So at point D, join D with point of concurrency. Point of concurrency is this one, right? Point D. D and POC. So join POC. You can write the step here to find or to locate POC. How to do that? Extend F34 and F54 till it intersects. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, either ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ or right side. It is intersecting at right side. So intersect, that is POC. Then join D and POC. The line D to POC is called line of action. Line of action of F14. F14, line of action of F14. So where is the F14 now? F14 is along the direction of line of action, correct? So this is D. So I'm going to show it. This is along the direction of line of action of F14. F14. Now we know the direction of F34 as well as F14. Now we can draw the force polygon. To find the magnitude of F14 and F34, draw the force polygon. Force polygon. If you have any doubt, please you can ask. We have solved similar problems in the last classes, correct? One ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, if you have a 3 force member, only 2 options. One, you can find out the point of concurrency. After finding the point of concurrency, you can find out the unknown things. That's all. If it is a 2 force member, equal and opposite always. Okay. Now, how to draw the force polygon? First one, known force F54 is known, correct? Okay. Therefore, F54 is equal to F45 is equal to, what is F45 in the previous slide? F45 is 290 Newton. 290. F54 is opposite to F45. F45 is right. F54 is left. Correct? Now, you can draw the force polygon now. First one, F45. First, you take the reference line. All of you copied? Please do it. We'll go for the next slide. Copied? Free hand sketch draw already. You just draw it with actual scale. Now tell me the angle, this angle, line of action of 1,4. Can anyone tell me the angle of this one? Pi is okay. Beta.
67 degree.
57?
67.
67, okay. 67 degree. ಈಗ polygon draw ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, force polygon, because we know the angle of F34, F14, and we know the direction of F54 as well as magnitude of F54. So scale. All of you copied? All of you copied the text, what I have written? It is not necessary, it is for your reference, okay? If you know the concept, we can do it directly. All of you copied? Okay. Now, polygon, force polygon. Scale. What scale you are going to take? 50 is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. Now, first one, take the reference line. Okay. Don't forget the reference line, please. Reference line. I'm going to take a reference line, 0 degree line. Okay. Now, the first one, 27 degree. Alpha is 27 degree, 54. Sorry, F54. It is 290. 290 means what is the length? 300 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 6 centimeters ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲೆಂತ್? ಓಕೆ 5.8 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಆಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 5.8. ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ. Reference line. So alpha is 27 degree. So the length is 5.8 along the same direction. Correct Allah? So this is F54. What is the length? 5.8. This point is A, this point is B. What next? F34. F34 at an angle of 17 to reference line. You need to draw the reference line which is parallel to this line, okay? Horizontal line. So 17 degree. 17 degree ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so will be somewhere here. Okay. So this is what is 17 degree. What is that angle? 17 degrees. Theta, correct? Theta is 17 degree. I have taken 17 degree and the length is, or the direction is like this. This is F34. I don't know the length. I have taken a line along 17 degree line, but I don't know the length. You just draw a long line. After that, now F14 is there. Please copy this. Do it fast. Do it fast. I'll tell you how to draw this F14. ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬೇಗ. Okay. I hope you finished. Next is F14. F14. So force polygon must be closed. To close the force polygon, you have to draw a line, because I don't know the length of F14, but I know the direction. The direction is 67 degree, right? But we need to start from somewhere here. I don't know the point. I don't know the length of 3, 4. That's why if you draw somewhere here, but it has to intersect point A, correct? The point A, point A, B, C, no problem. Okay, so it has to pass through point A. So that's why you need to draw a line. You need to draw a line at an angle of 67 degree. 67 degree. So this angle is A ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, A ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. So this is 67 degree. It is equal to beta, correct? 67 degree. So this will be what it is opposite, not that side, this one. If it is a close, this is like this and this is like this, it will be like this only. F, what is 14? F14, correct? F14. Okay, but I have shown like this, but it is not found whether it is like this upward or downward, but I'm getting it is downward. It is downward. Correct? It is downward. Finished? F14 is downward. Finished? Five, four. This is F54. You can write it at the bottom. Okay. Why it is downward? This is very, very important, because you know this force is acting like this. This force is acting like this. Automatically, this force will be in this, because to make a closed polygon. Remember. Therefore, write down. This is point C, okay? Write down. F34 is equal to length of BC into scale. Length of BC, can anyone tell me the answer for BC? Can anyone tell me the answer for BC?
7.5.
7.5 centimeter into 50 by 1 nala. Can you tell me the answer for F34? Can you tell me the answer for F34?
375.
Huh?
375.
375 Newton.
37.
Correct Allah? Towards right. Similarly, F14 is equal to length of AC into scale. Can anyone tell me the answer for AC length?
5.3.
5.3 centimeter into scale. Answer?
265.
265. Downward. Next, consider link number 3. Okay. Link number 2. Link number 3. 3. 3. We have F43. So F43 is equal to F34 is equal to F34 answer 375. 375 right is it is left. Similarly, F23 is equal to F34 or F43 is equal to 375 Newton. Right. Next, consider link 2. You need to draw with actual scale here. Link 2. Link 2, 75 degree. What is the length of link 2? AB. AB is 150. $150 means scale 1. Now, what is the force angle? It is 17 degree. F32. And this is a T. So the opposite force, because it is a two force member with a torque, the other force F12 is always opposite to F32, equal and opposite. This is F12. Equal and opposite force will be acting, and if you want to find out the perpendicular distance, this is what the perpendicular distance. You can extend one force and you can find out the perpendicular distance h. Therefore, so F32 is equal to F23 is equal to F. What is F23? 75 Newton. It is left, towards left, because here it is right, be left. Therefore, F12 is equal to F32 is equal to 375. Right. Therefore, the couple formed by F12 and F32 is C is equal to F12 into H is equal to F32 into H. Can anyone tell me the answer for H? 375 into H into scale. Perpendicular distance. Please, can anyone tell me the answer for perpendicular distance? Can anyone tell me the answer for H? Finished? Hey, ಯಾರದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರ? ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
1.3.
It is 1.3 into scale. Hundred by 1 nala. Now tell me the answer. C. Answer for C.
48750.
Yes. 3.
48750.
48750 Newton millimeter is equal to 48.75 Newton meter. Correct alla? Therefore, torque T. This is what direction? It is C. Counterclockwise. T is equal to C is equal to 48.75 Newton meter, but it is clockwise. Finished? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next problem. You want to take a break of 15 minutes or shall I continue? I'll stop at 11 o'clock. Hello? Can anyone answer? Huh?
Break, sir.
You want break?
Yes, sir.
Someone is telling to continue.
Continue, sir. Continue.
Need break, sir.
Break,
Please
sir.
break.
Break beka.
Yes, sir.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 15 minutes. Do it fast.